Industrial Specialty Services, or ISS, a brand energy and infrastructure services company, provides clients value through safe, smart, and reliable integrated services and solutions. Our highly trained craftsmen and service technicians have the experience and expertise to handle the most demanding jobs safely, competently, and on time. Our specialty mechanical service offerings include hydraulic bolt torquing and tensioning, line freezing, field machining, line isolation and weld testing, hot tapping, line stopping, on-line leak sealing, engineered composite repairs, heat treat and stress relief, valve repair, stud busters metal disintegration, stud busters stud and bolt removal. ISS Stud Busters Metal Disintegration Services and Stud and Bolt Removal Services are some of the latest service offerings we have added to our portfolio. Our Stud Busters services have been proven time and again to save our clients money and time, while safely delivering on the most complicated projects. Metal disintegration. ISS Stud Busters employs state-of-the-art technology through its metal disintegration machines, or MDMs, the most powerful units available today anywhere in the world. Our metal disintegration technology can completely remove a 3-inch diameter stud, 5.5 inches deep, in less than 2.5 hours, with absolutely no damage to the internal threads. Pins, studs, and bolts in all shapes and sizes, composed of any metal manufactured, can be removed safely and effectively utilizing our MDMs. The MDM technology uses graphite, moly, copper, or aluminum depending on the type of burn required, and the machine becomes a high-energy, low-voltage thermal shock-producing source. The electrode in the machine vibrates up and down 3,600 times per minute. Each time the electrode touches the piece to be burned, an arc is struck. The arc has a temperature at point of contact of approximately 5,300 degrees Fahrenheit. A constant supply of fresh water is pumped down through the electrode, causing the molten metal to thermally break down and, at the same time, flushes the thermally shocked metal back out the discharge hole. The discharged pieces are normally less than 10 microns in size, which is smaller than a grain of sand. The water also acts as a heat exchanger, i.e., the only portion to get hot is the small area in contact with the tip of the electrode, unlike drilling where heat from the bit transfers to the matted portion. The MDM maintains everything at ambient temperature except what needs to be removed. ISS can remove any size or burn any configuration from 40 thousandths of an inch to 5 inches in diameter in one pass. Larger studs or holes can be made using multiple passes. On average, MDM is 40% faster than conventional drilling, and even glazed or hardened studs or bolts are removed with no problem utilizing the MDM process. Our Stud Busters metal disintegration removal times with nominal thread engagement are as follows. Stud and bolt removal. ISS Stud Removal Services, Stud Busters, and our specialized tools have revolutionized the industry, saving time and money in the removal of studs, bolts, and pins. Our stud removal tool uses pneumatic energy through air guns to power our equipment. This accomplishes two things. One, it removes all side loading, and two, it reduces stud torsion, which is accomplished as follows. Our tool, attached to an air gun, fits over the stud. When the air gun is turned on, the jaws on the inside of the stud are forced inward by centripetal force, caused by two cams machined on the inside diameter of the stud tool. The jaws ride on the cams until they close and lock on the stud. These jaws are 180 degrees apart, thereby creating an equal gripping force around the stud. The tool is designed to be center-driven, which transfers 99% of the energy from the air gun to the tool and stud. The torque and harmonics from the air gun break the static hold on the stud and allow it to be freed. Our Stud Busters stud and bolt removal times are as follows. Please contact us for more information about any of our specialty mechanical services, including our labor-saving stud removal services, or to arrange a demonstration, call toll-free 1-855-RING-ISS or visit us online at www.industrialspecialtyservices.com. To learn more about our parent company, Brand Energy and Infrastructure Services, visit www.beis.com.